An AI just passed elite math exams, argued with itself to find better answers, and thinks faster than most humans can read. It's not from OpenAI or Google, it's from Elon Musk, and it might be the most dangerous leap in artificial intelligence we've seen so far. This is Grok 4, xAI's most advanced model yet. And it's not just smart, it's fast, deeply analytical, and bold enough to rival the best minds in science, engineering, and research. Grok 4 runs on xAI's newly built supercomputer called the Gigafactory of Intelligence. It's powered by 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, giving it over 1.8 exaflops of computing muscle. That means it can process data faster than most national labs. At its core, Grok 4 is trained to handle 256,000 tokens of context, roughly 400 pages of text in a single go. That's nearly 4 times more than OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. But numbers don't mean much until you see what it can do. During its internal testing, Grok 4 stunned everyone by solving 25.4% of ARC-AGI questions without using external tools. That's twice the rate of GPT-4. When paired with tools like calculators, solvers, and code runners, Grok 4 heavy jumped to 44% accuracy. For context, these tests are designed for models that can reason, not just memorize. And Grok 4 passed with flying colors, but it didn't stop there. It scored a perfect 100% on the American Invitational Math exam, a test so difficult it stumps most high school prodigies. Then it took on math, GSM 8K, and other benchmarks where it either beat or tied with every leading model out there, including Anthropic's Claude 3 Opus and Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro. What makes Grok 4 even more remarkable is its heavy mode, a version that doesn't just think alone. It runs multiple agents in parallel who argue, refine ideas, and agree on the best answer. This collaborative intelligence is like a panel of experts solving the same problem and cross-checking each other. It's expensive, $300 per month, but it's meant for serious use, engineering, science, and complex real-world decision-making. Even the voice feels human. Grok 4 introduces a voice called Eve, with a British accent and the ability to sing, whisper, or express emotion. It's powered by xAI's custom voice model, making conversations feel more natural and responsive. Compared to previous versions, Eve is nearly twice as fast, with a latency of just 230 milliseconds.
Really? It's like being on stage at the Old Vic with a sea of faces out there. Just imagine all those eyes and ears tuned in. It's a proper buzz, isn't it?
There's also Deep Search, a live information system. Grok 4 no longer relies solely on pre-trained data. It can actively browse the web, pull in data from X, scrape current events, and summarize fresh knowledge on demand. That gives it a serious edge when it comes to being up to date. On the coding front, Grok 4 includes Grok Code, a specialized mode that writes, debugs, explains, and even optimizes software. It's particularly good at long-form coding, multi-file projects, advanced logic, and writing code with comments and documentation that makes sense. Early testers say it's more accurate than OpenAI's GPT-4 when working on real-world software problems. The model is still primarily text-based, but that's changing fast. It already supports image input, meaning you can upload a chart or screenshot, and Grok 4 will understand and analyze it. Video input and output are coming soon, with full support expected in October 2025. That means Grok 4 will soon be able to watch, interpret, and eventually generate video content. But no new technology comes without issues. Grok 4 has been criticized for being too verbose. It sometimes over-explains, repeating itself in an effort to be helpful. And while it's strong with text, its image recognition isn't yet as strong as Google's Gemini or OpenAI's vision models. Video support is still in early testing, and it has a long way to go before it can compete in visual AI tasks. Earlier versions of Grok made headlines for problematic outputs, including offensive and politically biased content. One version even jokingly referred to itself as Mecha Hitler, a scandal that forced xAI to introduce strict safety protocols. Grok 4 now includes advanced moderation filters, and Musk claims the model is being fine-tuned to balance free speech with responsibility. Despite all that, Grok 4 is already being used in the real world. In a test of forecasting, Grok 4's heavy mode was asked to predict the winner of the 2025 World Series. After nearly 5 minutes of analysis, it picked the Los Angeles Dodgers with a 21.6% probability, exactly the same as prediction markets like Polymarket. It also identified underdog teams like the Mariners and Astros as undervalued, showing it can think probabilistically and spot trends just like a financial analyst. Elon Musk calls it a step toward Big Bang intelligence, a reference to AI models that not only think, but create, reason, and act independently. The future roadmap for Grok 4 includes a full programming agent by August, image and video understanding in September, video generation by October, multimodal agent coordination by the end of the year. All of this is part of xAI's vision to build an AI that's not just a tool, but a research partner, a developer assistant, a scientific advisor, and a creative thinker rolled into one. Whether it succeeds in that mission remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: Grok 4 isn't just another chatbot, it's a new kind of intelligence. Faster, smarter, more connected, and built to grow. And as AI enters this new phase, Grok 4 stands at the center of it. The question isn't just what it can do today, but what happens when its next upgrade arrives.